Hi everyone, now let's talk about isdisjoint method in set data structure. So this method can be used to verify whether the values are available or not. If the values are available, then it will return false. If none of the items are not matched, not available any of the set, then it will return true statement. So let's see an example, then you can get to know what is disjoint method. Now I'm just taking an example here. Now let's see x equal to then 4 comma 5. So then you can take it, this is print of x, then print of, then we need to confirm that it is a set data structure. Then after you need to take y equal to, then value presented here, the value 4 5 6. Now same way you need to take print of y, then print of, then you need to use a built-in function to verify. This is the standard step that we need to do. So both are set now. Now what we need to understand here, we need to verify whether this is disjoint set or not. Then you need to write here print of x and y or disjoint sets, or you can say, you can write it like this, or x and y disjoint sets. So now what you need to do, you need to use that function here. So that function in the sense, then that method you can say x dot is disjoint of y. So when I execute now, what will happen? Let us understand. So this is false. That means if any value is presented, then it will return false. That when it will return true when any value is not at all presented. So then you can use this isdisjoint method to get true value. So now let us understand here. We'll take same example, and then what you need to do, you take here 9 comma 10. Now we have 4 comma 5 comma 6. Now this one you take, then try to execute again, or x and y disjoint sets or not. So now try to execute here. So it is giving true value because 9 and 10 and 4 5 6 are not at all matched. So all are unique values. That means no value is presented. So in that case, isdisjoint method can return true value when both sets are having unique values. You can try to take one more example here. So now let's see, I'm just taking 9 10 11, then 6 will be there. Now when I execute now, what will happen? It is returning false because 6 value is presented in x set data structure also and y data structure also. So what do you mean by exactly isdisjoint method? Means when the values are presented at any of the set, then it will be returning false. When unique values are there, that means no value is presented, none of the value is presented, none of the item is presented in both sets, then it will return true value. So this is all about isdisjoint method. So try to do 2 or 3 examples, then you can get to know what is exactly isdisjoint method after your practice. Okay, so thank you so much, see you in the next class.